Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the support section on the Scribd application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and new, just go to the lower bar and click to the last button, the account, at the lower right corner of the home screen. And here you can find the third button, the frequently asked question and support. Click that, and here if you want to find support and help center in different topics, you can find the frequently asked questions option, the my tickets, and the privacy policy. For example, click to the first option, that's the support, and here you can find different topics, and if you want to check one, for example the site status, click that and you can read about that. And if you go to the lower right corner of the screen, click to the message button, you can contact us with the customer service. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.